never had this problem before. No freaking way. Ah! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chanel. Welcome. Today we are doing, obviously, the January BOXYCHARM box, and I'm so freaking excited. I've been waiting for this box for like a week now. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so this month's box theme, that's always so hard to say. This month's box theme is Fresh Start, which I love that. That's so freaking cute. After 2021, everybody needs a fresh start, you know? We're ready to get it, honey, okay? As you can see, I already have most of my makeup done. So yeah, let's just jump right in. I got more skincare products than usual, but really, I ain't mad about it. Like 2021 is my year. I just have so many goals to set, like to be better with my skincare routine, because I really hate to say this out loud, but I have sucked at washing my face, everything skincare before 3 days ago. I am rocking it right now, but I just need to be better. So I'm really excited. So first, this is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandit Triple Peptide Eye Cream. It's an eye cream that helps wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. Powered by Dr. Brandit's exclusive triple peptide complex, this ultra-rich formula glides on the skin to deliver rejuvenating properties for radiant, youthful-looking eyes. Helps restore and replenish moisture, helps reduce puffiness and fade dark circles, helps diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, and helps recharge tired eyes and provides a more rested look. Apply AM and PM to eye contour, which I agree. Like, I actually kind of enjoyed this. It is so soft. It literally, like it said, it just glides on the skin so nicely. The only thing about it is it does smell like very medicine-y, I guess. I don't know if that's the word for it. So if you're one of those people that like are really, you know, big into smells, it doesn't smell the best, but it feels great on the skin, and my eyes feel so good. Like, my face has just felt so dry all day today from washing my face. I never moisturized it afterwards. I just got busy and forgot, but yes, my eyes feel so good from that. And this guy was, let's see, oh my gosh, holy shit. No freaking way. This little tube right here, 0.5 ounces, was $82. So you better freaking feel really good, okay? $82. That's crazy.
Oh no, sorry, I didn't mean to drop you.
All right, and next, moving on, we have the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. The vibes of this packaging, like, I think it is just so cute. Like, look at the top of this. Like, that is so cute. It says, this is an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without feeling greasy. Formulated with ingredients known to hydrate and reduce shine. Apply to clean face. Use AM and PM. Avoid direct contact with eyes. So I do agree with this. It didn't leave my face greasy, which is really nice. And like I said, my face had been feeling dry today, and so it really just like moisturized the crap out of my face, which I appreciate. Even though I do have oily skin, every time after I wash it, my face is just so freaking dry. I did really like this. The green color is kind of fun. Like, I don't know. It does smell very fruity. Moringa and papaya. So yeah, very fruity, but it's cute, and I did really enjoy this. This is not my first pharmacy product, but this is probably my favorite that I have tried so far. And this guy used $38. And then next, our last kind of skincare product is the Bali Balm. It is sweet orange and coconut lip balm. I was actually kind of really excited when I saw this in there, because my lips have been so dry lately, and just like, not chapped, but just rough. I don't know what the word is for it. Literally last night we were laying in bed and I asked Jared, I was like, do you have any chapstick over there? Because my lips hurt. They're like so dry. So I was actually really excited to see this in my box. It smells very fruity like the other one, obviously, because it's sweet orange and coconut, but it smells really good. I like it. This is like the third time that I'm applying it to my lips. It's very juicy. It says essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft lips. I really like the way that this feels on my lips. It just literally feels like, I don't know what it feels like. It's just so smooth and soft and just glossy. Like, my lips feel so good. They don't feel like they've been dry the past 3 days, which is really nice. I don't know if it, I don't think it tastes the best, but it smells good and it feels really nice. So there's that. And this bad boy was $33. Like, that's expensive. $33 for a little tiny lip balm. How much do you have in you? 15 milliliters. That's crazy. That's like a serving of coconut oil in sauteing something. That's crazy. Next, we're finally getting into things that we're actually going to use like right now. I ended up getting 2 palettes this month in my box, which is kind of crazy, but I don't hate it. I don't hate it. First is the Ciate London, the Velvet palette. Maybe if I can get it out. Oh, I just ripped it. Gosh, dang, my nail. Seriously though, how do you get this out? How do you worky? Oh no, I'm gonna have to do it. I have to rip it. I can't get it out any other way. There we go, finally. Oh, this feels nice. It's like velvet. Ciate London, let's see what you have to offer. Ooh, okay. This is really pretty. Look at this. It says create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. Ooh, and it's got a nice mirror. I love palettes with mirrors. I'm just like a little shook right now, a little blown away. And this palette was $30. I do really like Ciate London. I think that's how you say it. I don't know, that's how I say it. I've only ever tried their products in my BOXYCHARM boxes, but I really like them. So let's see what this other palette is. This is the Esmeralda #2 by Beauty Creations. So far, this one was a lot easier to get out, so that's gotta count for something. Oh, okay, this is really pretty too. This palette is named after Beauty Creations CEO and made for a night out on the town. The bold shimmer shades, ranging from gold to midnight blue, make the perfect statement look when paired with the rich matte shades in this palette as well. And this palette was $13.99, so about a little more than less than half the cost. Does that even make sense?
A little more than less than half the cost.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. A little more than less than half the cost than the Ciate London palette. Let's just do a little side-by-side comparison. They're both really pretty palettes. I don't really know which one to use. Maybe we'll just use a little bit of both. I don't know. I've never had this problem before. Okay, what look are we gonna create today? I do know that these 2 shades are like speaking to me right now, so I really kind of want to use these, and then maybe we'll use some mattes from this palette. I don't know, but I think I'm just going to speed through this and you will just see what I do, so enjoy. Okay, we are done with the eyes. They're just still a little smoky, little fiery number. As far as the palettes go, I definitely think this one is way more pigmented than this one. I had to really like dip in here quite a few times to build up the pigment. It does have a little bit of pigment, but just not as much pigment as this and not as much pigment as I've used for other palettes. I think Profusion palettes have more pigment than this, and they're not a lot cheaper, but they're cheaper than this. But it is pretty nonetheless. It is pretty. I only used a few shades. I didn't use any of the shimmers. But yeah, I actually really liked this palette. For some reason, I couldn't get the, let's see, this color to build up in the inner part of my lid over here, but it did it fine on this side. So I just used a brush, got it wet and used it, and it worked fine. But other than that, I did really enjoy this palette. When I was using my fingers to do the shimmer, I literally put my finger on the color and it didn't feel like I was touching anything because it was so freaking smooth, like literally so smooth. I'm gonna be using her again. So yeah, those are the palettes. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup real fast and we'll be back to total the whole palette up. Okay, we are back. Lashes are done and we are ready to figure out the total of all these products. I literally just applied this for the 4th time. I can't stop applying it. I'm obsessed. So the Ciate London palette was $30. The Pharmacy Daily Greens Moisturizer was $38. The Beauty Creations palette was $13.99. The Dr. Branded Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream was a whopping $82. And then the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm was $33 for a total of $196.99. That's crazy. All you pay is $25 for 5 full-size products and you could get $196.99 worth of makeup, skincare, whatever in your box monthly. Like, that is crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Honestly, I really liked everything that I got in my box this month, which is shocking because usually if it's not makeup, I don't want it. But I actually really liked everything that I got. Let me know down in the comments if you guys got the same, what you thought of them or what you got in your box. I'm interested to know, eager to see if you guys feel the same way about the products as I do. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. I have a whole bunch of content coming up and I'm so excited. So you don't want to miss out. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Gotta make the world smile, girl. Make it 2021. 2021. The best year of our lives. Feel like Whitney Simmons, but bye. If you like this video, make sure to give it a why can't I talk? You don't want to miss out, so make sure to hit the subs. Yeah, so you don't want to make sure to, or I don't know why I just repeated that. I already told you. Oh man, I just dropped that all on my freaking workout pants. Cool. My workout pants are green. Awesome. Oh god, that's loogie. Oh. Oh, that was gross. Sorry. That's great content, you know?